In every drop of pond water, on every blade of wet grass, inside the organs of grazing animals, a silent architecture of survival is at work. This is the story of a creature with no eyes, no limbs, and no mercy for the rules of a single body. This is the world of the trematode. Scientists call them class Trematoda, the flukes. Within this class lies a vast and ancient lineage, the Digenea, first classified over a century and a half ago. Flattened, leaf-shaped, and utterly without a skeleton, these parasites have conquered nearly every vertebrate on Earth, fish, birds, and mammals alike, by mastering something almost no other animal can, living inside more than one body across a single lifetime. To survive inside a living host, a trematode must first refuse to let go. At its anterior end sits the oral sucker, ringing the mouth like a muscular crown. Further back, along the underside of the body, a second sucker, the acetabulum, clamps the fluke to living tissue with astonishing force. Together, these twin anchors let the parasite ride out the turbulence of a beating heart, a rushing bloodstream, or the churn of a gut, never once losing its grip. Behind that formidable mouth lies a simple but efficient gut. A muscular esophagus leads inward, branching into two blind-ending intestinal ceca that reach deep into the body. There is no exit, no anus. Every nutrient absorbed must also be expelled the way it came. The cells lining this gut live double lives, tall and columnar when secreting digestive enzymes, then collapsing and regenerating in an endless cycle of renewal. Deep within the parenchyma, a network few have ever truly seen keeps this creature alive. The flame cells. Each one flickers, not with fire, but with a tuft of beating cilia that dance like a candle's flame inside a narrow tube. This is the hallmark of every flatworm on Earth. The flame cell draws waste from the surrounding tissue, and its cilia beat in perfect rhythm, driving fluid down branching ducts toward a single collecting bladder. From there, the excretory pore releases it to the outside world, a microscopic plumbing system older than the dinosaurs. There is no brain here, only a ring. A circumesophageal ring of nerve fibers and paired ganglia encircles the gut, sending 3 pairs of nerves forward and 3 pairs back, wiring the entire body without a single centralized mind. The adult has no eyes, but in its earliest larval form, twin patches of pigment, simple eye spots, once sensed the light. It is a nervous system built for one purpose only: to find and never to lose a host. Almost every trematode is both male and female at once, a hermaphrodite built for solitary success. 2 testes, sometimes smooth, sometimes deeply branched, feed a duct called the vas deferens. It widens into a storage chamber, the vesiculum seminalis, wrapped in glands that will arm the final structure. The serous, a muscular, sometimes spine-studded organ that delivers sperm through a genital pore, often guarded by its own protective sac. The female architecture is no less intricate. A lobed ovary releases ova into the oviduct, where they meet stored sperm in the receptaculum seminis. Nearby, clusters of vitelline follicles, the yolk glands, pour their contents into the same stream. All of it converges at a remarkable structure called the ootype, wrapped by Mealy's gland, which builds the shell around every egg from a blend of yolk and glandular secretion. From there, each egg travels the uterus, gains its final hardened form, and waits. engineered for the moment it will be laid.